What's going on, guys? I'm here to talk about my 2015 CB500X. I'm here to talk about the rack system that me and my dad put on the bike. I got this bike about a month or so ago, and I was looking for a rack system to put on it. And I noticed a lot of them were very expensive. A lot of them you had to buy the hardware separate from the cases, or sometimes you could buy them both together, but they're at least $700 or so. And I was seeing if we could, go a cheaper route that still looks pretty good and gets the job done. So I went with these. These are Apache 4800 rugged mobility cases. I got these at Harbor Freight. They were $62 a piece. And then the metal that my dad got and put together, he said it was about like $100 worth of metal. And he created this system of it's a 4-bolt on system, 1, 2, 3, 4 up there, and the metal goes up under the seat. I'll take the seat off in a minute. I want to show you how we had to kind of maneuver around getting the key in the lock over here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the keyhole is right there to take the seat off. The key will not fit in between the cases, so that was a challenge. What do we do? How do we get the seat off if I need to, because my insurance and papers and whatever is up under there. So we came up with an idea. We came up with a few ideas, but the best idea was to, if I'm trying to maneuver in here, if you can see right here, the cable, we took the cable off, and there's like this little hole that it sticks out of, and if you want to take the seat off, all you gotta do is pull it just like that. And it's not going nowhere, it doesn't even move. But yeah, if you want to pull it like that, that's how you take it off. And so I don't take this off-road much, so I mean, it doesn't really get that dirty, and that cable's not going to, it's going to be no problem right there. So that was one easy way we took the seat off. So if you do this, you're going to have to figure out, you're going to have to do something to get the key in this hole, or put the cable up under the bike just like we did. So like I said, the cases were $62 a piece and $100 of metal. So after taxes, whatever. So it's going to be around $230, whatever, give and take. So if you're not familiar with it, I'll undo them. And there's a lot of space in here. Take all this crap out. Hopefully you can see. I'm on my camcorder, so it's not the best. So the sizes of these cases is basically about 20 inches long, 7 inches deep, and 14 inches tall. So it holds plenty of space. It comes with these foam inserts on the inside, but I took them out because, you can put guns and stuff in them, whatever, but I don't even put them in there. I just want, because it's less space. If you put the foam inserts in there, you'll have less space. So I just took them all out. But yeah, let me take the seat off and I'll show you what it looks like up under the seat. So like I said, you go up under here, you just pull this, you hear that click, and I just got this new Corbin seat. So look at this new Corbin seat. Ooh, she looks good and she sits good too. But let me take this off. So this is what it looks like, and this is what we had to mount it to. There's one right there, one right there, and the same thing for the other side. And these have a slit in it anyway, so they go through the bike just like that, and these just go from here to here. And that's how we did it. It's very sturdy. I've been on the highway going 70-80 miles an hour. They are rock solid. Let me put the seat back on. We took the passenger peg off, if you can see it like that. Took the passenger peg off, and he hopefully you can see him trying to do this. He bolted it. He used some metal right here. I'm sorry if I can't, let's see. Got some metal right here that he bolted it to. It's like 2 plates back there. Like I said, I didn't really want to spend too much on cases, and these do the job. I like the rugged look of them. You know, there was some cases out there that was more out, that, you know, that you could put like a helmet in, like an extra large helmet in, but I didn't want all that, and plus I didn't want nothing that stuck out too much, and I think this is perfect. Some people told me I look like a cop going down the street. But yeah, if y'all have any questions or whatever, I'll try to help you out as much as I can. As far as the what exactly the length of the metal had to be and all this, like, I can't even tell you. My dad welded this all together, so he's as you can see, he's an old school shop guy, so he does all this. But I think it looks good, you know. Welded it, painted it, and they are sturdy. I mean, they're not going nowhere. So if you have any questions, let me know. I know that cases are not cheap. The hardware is not cheap, especially in these days, but try to make do with what you got and try to go the cheaper route. Sometimes, you know, you get what you pay for, but I think in this case, we lucked out pretty good. I think it's going to work out really good. I went to the store the other day and got some stuff and put them in there, and works just fine. Like I said, they're rock solid. They're not going nowhere. I've been on the highways with them, and most I've been was like 80, 85, and they're good. So yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'm adding a lot of stuff to the bike. I'm getting a new windscreen in sometime soon. It's on the way. I just ordered it the other day. We've added a lot of things to the bike, so and I'll make a video for that separately. But yeah, this is just for the cases. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. All right, talk to you later.